Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 2978 Rush Mendon Road in Mendon.
This is an amazing ranch country estate. So let's take a tour.
This is open, one-floor living at its best, with a cathedral ceiling great room featuring a designer cook's kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, restaurant-grade stainless steel appliances, and a center island with granite countertops. Open to a dining area with deck access, and a spacious living area with a wood stove and beautiful hardwood floors. This home also features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a first-floor laundry, including a master suite with cathedral ceilings, deck access, and a beautiful ensuite bath.
This ranch home features a beautiful front courtyard and is landscaped to perfection. With a walkout lower level, an entertainment-sized deck, hot tub, and scenic nature views.
You can have it all in this ranch country estate.
Situated on 1.5 private acres, this property is located nearby Lehigh hiking trails. Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Mendon Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2978 Rush Mendon Road.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!